financial statement. All pages are signed. And then the net financial contracting capacity also attached and signed. And the last one is the integrity pledge also attached and signed. So with that, ma'am, James construction is compliant.
Okay. Next.
Excuse me, ma'am. For RCB General Contractor and Construction Supply, for their technical component, attached here is their field jets with the platinum membership, their list of ongoing projects, the single largest contract, the net financial contracting capacity, and the bid security in the form of bid securing declaration, sealed, signed, and notarized. The organizational chart, signed. The list of key personnel, signed. The list of contractor major equipment and minimum material testing laboratory, present, signed. And also the omnibus storage statement, signed, sealed, and notarized. With that, RCB General Contractor and Construction Supply is compliant.
Okay. So finding the above contractors to be compliant, they submitted the technical proposal envelope. So please open your submitted financial proposal, conduct your initial evaluation, and read the contents.
Excuse me, Madam Vice.
Okay, please go ahead.
For the financial component of RCB General Contractor and Construction Supply, attached series are the duly signed bid form, the summary of bid prices, signed, the bill of quantities, all pages are signed, and also the detailed estimate, signed, and lastly, the cash flow by quarter and payment schedule. For the bid offer of RCB General Contractor and Construction Supply amounting to 2,197,310 pesos and 62 centavos. I repeat, 2,197,310 pesos and 62 centavos.
Next.
No discount offer.
It means the financial component for James construction. Document attached, bid form, signed, bill of quantities, all pages are signed, summary of bid prices, signed, detailed estimates, all pages are signed. The last one is the cash flow by quarter and payment schedule for the project duration of 49 calendar days, also signed. And the bid offer of Jemis Construction is 2,214,494 pesos and 82 centavos. I repeat, 2,214,494 pesos and 82 centavos. No discount offer.
Okay, so RCB General Contractor and Construction Supply submitted the lowest bid in the amount of 2,197,310 pesos and 62 centavos, which is subjected for further bid evaluation and post-qualification. Let's go to the next. 26 AB 0086, repair, rehabilitation, and damage eroded shoulder and zero protection along Batak Pinili Road, K0484 plus 200 to K0484 plus 224, Barangay Cube, City of Batak, Ilocos Norte, with an APC of 1,509,260 pesos and a contract duration of 44 calendar days. We have only one interested bidder in the name of TMT Construction. So based on the result of the electronic contract profile processing for TMT Construction for legal aspects, mayor's permit, pass, DTI, pass, BIR tax clearance, pass, and for the PUJEP's registration, again, please verify what is attached. And for the technical and financial aspects, for TMT Construction, pickup license, pass, pickup registration, pass, and the work experience and NFCC, both pass. So with that, please open the submitted technical proposal envelope of TMT Construction, conduct your initial evaluation and read the contents.
Excuse me, ma'am, may I proceed?
Okay, please.
For the technical proposal of TMT construction for 26 AB 0086. Requirements present for the verification, ma'am. PhilJet's registration is present with platinum membership, valid until February 16, 2027. DCAP license present. Statement of bidders list of all ongoing government and private contracts, including contracts awarded but not yet started, present and signed. Statement of bidders single largest completed contract similar to the project to be bid, present and signed. Bidders computation of net financial contracting capacity, also present and signed. The bid security in the form of bid securing declaration, signed, sealed, and notarized, indicating the correct contract ID number and title for the project. Also present is the organizational chart. List of key personnel for the contract, also present. List of contractors, major equipment, and minimum materials testing laboratory equipment, including the certification of availability. And the omnibus sworn statement, indicating the correct title for the project, signed, sealed, and notarized. With that, Madam Vice Chair, TMT construction is compliant.
Okay, so finding TMT to complying in the submitted technical proposal, please open the submitted financial proposal envelope, conduct your initial evaluation, and read the contents.
Now may I proceed?
Okay, please go ahead.
For the financial proposal of TMT construction for 26 AB 0086. Requirements present, the duly signed bid form. Bid prices, also duly signed. Bill of quantities, present and signed. All pages signed. Detailed estimates, all pages signed. And cash flow by quarter, present and signed, indicating the correct duration for the project, which is 44 calendar days. And with that, the bid offer of TMT construction is 1,494,167 pesos and 40 centavos. I repeat, 1,494,167 pesos and 40 centavos. No discounts over.
Okay, so TNT Construction submitted its bid offer in the amount of 1,494,167 pesos and 40 centavos, which is subjected for further bid evaluation and post qualification. Let's go to the next. Contract ID number 26AB0022. VIP Multipurpose Buildings Facilities to Support Services. Construction of multipurpose building Barangay Ferdinand Marcos, Ilocos Norte with the coordinates of 17.98198 and 120,73082 with an APC of 7,920,000 pesos and a contract duration of 297 calendar days. We have only one interested bidder in the name of TNT Construction. So based on the result of the electronic contract profile processing for legal aspects, TNT Construction, Mayor's Permit pass, DTI pass for the BIR tax clearance, and again, pass for BIR tax clearance and the PhilJEPS registration. Again, please check the attached PhilJEPS registration. And for the technical and financial aspects, pickup license, pass, pickup registration, pass for the work experience and NFCC both pass. So may I request our technical staff to please open the submitted technical proposal envelope of TNT Construction, conduct your initial evaluation, and read the contents.
Permission to proceed, Madam Vice Chair.
Okay, please go ahead.
Okay, for the technical documents of TNT Construction, present the document attached. Okay, for the PhilJEPS registration certificate, also already updated with the validity until February 16, 2027. Statement of all ongoing government and private contracts, including awarded but not yet started, also attached and signed. A statement of single or similar completed contracts, also attached and signed. Bid security is in the form of bid securing declaration with the correct title of the project. You sign, sealed, and notarized. Organizational chart, attached and signed. List of key personnel, attached and signed. List of equipment, attached and signed. Omnibus storage statement with the correct title of the project, duly signed, sealed, and notarized. For the computation of NFCC, also attached and signed. With that, TNT Construction is complying.
Okay, so finding TNT Construction to be complying and the technical proposal envelope, please open the submitted financial proposal, conduct your initial evaluation, and read the contents.
Okay, for the financial component of TMT construction, document attached, bid form signed, bill of quantities, all pages signed, summary of bid prices signed, detailed estimates, all pages signed, summary of unit prices also attached and signed, and for the cash flow and payment schedule by quarter attached and signed with a total contract duration of 297 calendar days. So the bid offer of TMT construction is 7,878,933 pesos and 83 centavos. No discount offered. Repeat, 7,878,933 pesos and 83 centavos. No discount offered.
Okay, so TNT Construction submitted its bid offer in the amount of 7,878,933 pesos and 83 centavos, which is subjected for further bid evaluation and cost qualification. Let's go to the last. Contract ID number 26AB0033. Construction, improvement of access roads leading to declared tourism destinations. Tourism Road Infrastructure Program, Trade Access Road leading to Madungan Dam, Marcos Ilocos Norte, Station 5+658 to Station 5+838, with an APC of 1,263,000 pesos and a contract duration of 177 calendar days. We have only one interested bidder in the name of TMT Construction. So, based on the result of the electronic contract profile processing for legal aspects, mayor's permit, pass, DTI pass, BIR tax clearance pass, again, PGF's registration, please verify the attached. For the technical and financial aspects, pickup license, pickup registration, work experience, and NFCC, all passed. So currently open the submitted technical proposal envelope of TMT Construction. Conduct your initial evaluation and read the contents.
May I proceed to?
Please go ahead.
So for a technical proposal of TMT construction for issue regarding contract ID number 26AB0033. So based from our initial evaluation, all the required documents are attached, including certificate of PGF's registration platinum membership, which is valid until February 16, 2027. For a DTI certificate, valid until June 15, 2027. Nurse permit valid until December 31, 2026. Tax clearance valid until January 23, 2027. Pickup license valid until November 13, 2026. Statement of all ongoing projects also present and signed. Single largest completed contracts also present. Bid security in the form of bid security declaration indicating a contract ID number 26AB0033, signed, sealed, and notarized. Organizational charts also present and signed. List of key personnel. List of equipments also present. Omnibus term statement, again indicating correct details of the project, signed, sealed, and notarized. So with that, TMT construction is compliant.
Okay, so finding TNT construction to be complying and is submitted technical proposal envelope and therefore eligible to open its financial proposal. So please open the financial proposal envelope, conduct your initial evaluation and raise the contents.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Please go ahead.
For the financial proposal, documents attached, bid form, duly signed, bill of quantities, duly signed, summary of prices, duly signed, detailed estimates, all pages signed, cash flow by quarter, indicating 177 calendar days, duly signed. So the bid offer of TMT construction is 4,240,929 pesos and 91 centavos. I repeat, 4,240,929 pesos and 91 centavos. No discount offered.
Okay, so TNT Construction submitted its bid offer in the amount of 4,240,929 pesos and 91 centavos, which is subjected for bid evaluation, further bid evaluation and post qualification. So that ends our opening of bids for today's proceedings. Any question for this opening of bids? Again, may I remind everyone, especially our bidders and our viewers who are with us in this online opening of bids, physical and online, that all bids that are open today are subjected for further bid evaluation and post qualification. And that these bids are open based on the pass and fail criterion, the presence and absence of the documents. So no further questions or issues. Hearing none, these proceedings is now adjourned. Thank you very much. So